Take a look at this gold ring and now some table salt. At first glance, they seem completely different, right? One sparkles as jewelry, the other sits quietly on your dining table. But here's something surprising, both are actually pure substances in the world of science. In this video, we'll uncover how pure substances are classified into elements and compounds and how they stand apart from everyday mixtures. Ready to explore matter in its most original form? Let's get started. So, what exactly is a pure substance? According to your textbook, a pure substance is made up of only one kind of particle. It has a fixed composition and always behaves the same, no matter where you find it. You can't mix or match the ratio of what it's made of, it stays consistent. Its identity? Unchanging. Pure substances fall into two main categories: elements, substances made of only one type of atom; compounds, substances made of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed ratio. Let's explore each type in detail and see how they shape the matter all around us. Let's now explore the first type of pure substance: elements. Elements are the most basic building blocks of all matter. According to your textbook, an element is a basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reactions. In simple terms, you can't break them apart chemically, they are as simple as it gets. Let's look at a few examples. Gold, symbol Au, is a shiny, soft metal used in jewelry. Oxygen, symbol O, is a colorless gas essential for breathing. Silicon, symbol C, is a metalloid used to power the chips in your computers and smartphones. Elements are grouped into three categories: metals shiny, malleable, and good conductors of heat and electricity, like iron and copper; nonmetals usually dull, brittle, and poor conductors, like sulfur and oxygen; metalloids a mix of both properties, like silicon and boron. There are over 100 known elements, and together they make up everything you see around you. Now that you know what elements are, let's explore the next type of pure substance: compounds. So, what's a compound? It's a substance formed when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio. And here's the fascinating part: the new substance formed has properties that are completely different from the elements it's made of. Let's take a few examples straight from your textbook. Water, chemical formula HO. It's made from hydrogen and oxygen, two gases, but together they form a life-giving liquid. Table salt, or NaCl, created from sodium, a soft metal that reacts violently with water, and chlorine, a toxic green gas. Combine them and you get a safe, edible white crystal that sits on your dinner table. And then there's iron sulfide, FeS. When you heat iron with yellow sulfur, the bright metallic particles vanish and you're left with a new, dull black substance. The big takeaway: compounds always have a fixed composition and new properties. And unlike mixtures, you can't separate a compound using simple physical methods, you'll need a chemical reaction to break it down. Let's bring the concept to life with textbook activity. A hands-on comparison between a mixture and a compound using just iron filings and sulfur powder. Group A simply mixes the two. The result? A mixture where both iron and sulfur retain their original properties. You can even separate the iron using a magnet. Group B heats the same mixture. What happens? A chemical reaction takes place and a new substance is formed: iron sulfide, or FeS. It's a dull black compound, completely different from either iron or sulfur. Try using a magnet on this one. No response. The iron has chemically bonded with sulfur, creating a compound with entirely new properties. This activity perfectly shows the key difference. Mixtures keep their identity, compounds form something new. Let's bring it all together with a quick side by side comparison. An element is made of just one kind of atom, like oxygen, O2, or gold, Au. A compound is made when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio, like water, H2O, or table salt, NaCl. A mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances, like air, soil, or fruit salad. Here's a shortcut to remember. Element was single type of particle compound or to a fixed ratio, completely new properties. Mixture to no fixed ratio and can be separated by simple physical methods. It's all about how the particles come together and whether they stay themselves or transform completely. Let's apply what we've learned with a quick calculation. We know that water is made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, that's H2O. By mass, here's how it breaks down. Hydrogen contributes 2 grams, oxygen contributes 16 grams. So, the total mass of a water molecule is 18 grams. Now, look at the ratio 2 to 16, or simplified 1 to 8. That's the mass ratio of hydrogen to oxygen in water. And it's always the same, whether you have a drop or a bucket. This fixed ratio is exactly why water is a compound, not a mixture. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Pure substances fall into two main categories: elements and compounds. Elements are made of just one type of atom. They're the simplest substances and can't be broken down further. Compounds are formed when elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio, creating entirely new substances with their own unique properties. These are the basic building blocks of all matter, from the gold in your jewelry to the water you drink. Understanding them is the first step to understanding the world around you. So keep asking questions because science is everywhere.